Let's learn the vegetables' names. This is a carrot. This is a carrot. This is a tomato. This is a tomato. This is a potato. This is a potato. This is a broccoli. This is a broccoli. This is a cucumber. This is a cucumber. This is lettuce. This is lettuce. These are peas. These are peas. This is a bell pepper. This is a bell pepper. This is spinach. This is spinach. This is cauliflower. This is cauliflower.